Okay, we've put the bets on number 3 and number 7 for Beth. Number 3 for me, number 7 for Beth. The dogs are coming, they're coming soon. They're way around there. They'll walk around to the starting boxes. So we'll just watch them coming. Let's have a look to see what they look like. So there's the full 8 dogs in this race. Sometimes there's dogs that are pulled out of the race before the race. Maybe they've got a problem or something. If that happens, sometimes there's 2 emergency dogs that can take their place. So they quite often let 10 dogs enter a race, but 2 of them are emergencies. So if one of the others is they call it scratched, so it means it's pulled out of the race, the other one can take over. But if there's no dogs pulled out, the number 9 and number 10 don't get a start. So here they come. They're coming around. So they come out in order. Number 1 will be first and number 8 will be last. So we're looking at number 3. We'll see how intelligent he looks. So number 3's got a white blanket on him, and he's stopping for a pee. Maybe that's a good omen. Yes. Yeah. So he's having a pee. So he'll be happy when he's running, and all the others have to wait for him.
Nigel's up there as well, mate.
Hope he doesn't mind me looking at him while he's peeing. So that's my one. There's number 4, and there's number 7. Number 7's a nice looking dog. So that's the full field, and they're going up to the boxes up there, and they'll be put in boxes, and then they'll be off. Okay, we'll get back to them. They're all getting put in the boxes down there, and their corresponding numbers, and the thing they're going to chase is coming up. So here they go, they're out. Wow, they're fast.
So far, so good, bro.
They're going right around the other side. Right around the other side. I'm too busy filming it to know where my dogs are going. But we'll see at the finish if 3 or 7. I think 7 was 4th, but that's. And tonight there's people dressed up in costume because it's Halloween. So there's some people up there in brides' dresses. So I think they must be brides of Dracula. So I don't think we did any good in that race. So never mind. Hey, we're ready for another race. Plane just flying over, flying out or flying in. We're right on the airport track. It's quite close. So a lot of planes fly this direction. Anyway, another race starting over the other side. Congratulations to Beth on her win in the last race. Only problem was the dog was the hot favourite, paying $1.40 for the dollar. So not getting rich, but she's winning the competition. I haven't had a win or a place yet, so she's winning. So we've had 1 win and 2 fourths, but you don't get money for 4th. Okay, so they're putting them in the boxes over there now, and then we'll see what happens. I'm right here by the finish line this time. There's the that's a camera in there. Well, it's a mirror, and a camera is up on the other side. And when they go past, if it's really close, they need a camera to decide who has won the race. Okay, here we go. Sorry, it's a bit windy here, so I'm a bit wobbly. There they come. Here they go. Here they come past me. So we're looking. Number 7 is up there. Yeah, number 7's in the lead. 7's in the lead, Beth. 7's in the lead. And number 5's coming in closer, but come on, 7. I better cheer for your dog. I better cheer for your dog. Come on, number 5's coming up to it, but oh, who's going to win it? Oh, number 5. 7 was second, so that pays. Yeah, well, that was a bit more exciting for us. So the dogs are over there, and they get caught, and they go back to their owners. So when the race is over, they close off 2 parts of the track, so the dogs are easy to catch. Oh, congratulations, Beth. You just got second. And second... I got nowhere again. There's a plot. Okay, here comes another race. They're coming back around this way, so it's a shorter race this time. So I'm looking for my one. It's time I'm lucky, I hope. And this one's number 3 I'm looking for. One in the white. That's number 1. 2. There's my dog. Yes, looks good. Where's number 7? There's number 7. It's a black dog. Yep, and number 8, the last one. So they're going to go up to the boxes, and then they'll be off. And yeah, so quite a few kids here, families and that, enjoying the night. So yeah, quite good. It's threatening to rain, but so far there's just been a few spots of rain. So please, number 3, do something. Surely 3 has got to come in one race. Even just a place, please. Anyway, I'll have one more race after this, and then it'll be time to walk home. It's about a 10-minute walk, so not a problem. But at the moment, Beth is winning by having I think it's 1 winner and 2 seconds, or a second and a third. Anyway, she's got 3 good bets, and I have none. So, yeah. Okay, they're loading them away in the boxes down there. And I'm pretty close to the start-finish line. So it's pretty hard. I'm trying to follow the race, and I'm trying to see where our dogs are, and I can't do both at once. So yeah, unless it's leading, I can't really see. So we'll see what happens in this race. I'm feeling a bit luckier, but right, it's getting ready. Here we go. And they're off. 3 is up there. 7 is on the fence, I think. So the lead is number 8 by the look of it. So we'll see what happens down the straight. Well, it's going to win easy, that thing in the lead, I think. 7. Oh, they're still going. It's a long race. Oh no, it's not. I thought they were still going because I didn't see the gate come open. Anyway, I think Beth might have got a place again. I don't think I did any good. It's 8, 1 and 3. Oh no, it's me. 3's me. Haha. Sorry, Beth. I'm the winner this time. And mine was paying good money. I just have a look. Well, the prices haven't come up yet. But, yeah. So it's about time I did something And that's it for now. Okay, next race coming up. Starting from way over the other side there. So it must be a bit longer race. And we have number 3 and number 7 again. And number 7 is the favourite, and number 3 is paying lots of money. So hopefully 3 and 7 do alright in this one. Yeah, as I was saying before, it's Halloween here, so there's people in costumes. Some dressed up in like the Brides of Dracula, and some as monsters, and some as, I don't know what they are, but anyway, they're getting into the spirit of things. It's a little bit windy here now, so anyway. It won't be long and they'll be starting. It's not very long between races, only 20 minutes or maybe less, whereas horse racing is half an hour or more. So, alright, it's getting ready to start. Here they go. Oh, something happened there. Oh, number 6 got knocked out of it. So, there's one way at the back. So, we might have a good chance here. We might have a good chance. I don't think one of them... I'm not near the finish line, so I can't really see. 7 won it. So Beth had a winner there. I couldn't quite see. I don't think my one. I think my one was in that interference as well. So congratulations. Okay, that ends our night. Our challenge. I think we had 4 collects in the 4 of the races. 1 winner and 3 placings, but I think I came out on top just with my my dog paid, I got $9 off my one, so yeah, so it was interesting. It's still going on here, but I'm going to walk home. Yeah, so yeah, it's quite good fun here. I think it probably carries on for another hour or more. It's probably about 4 more races, so yeah, that's our little challenge. Beth picked the most wins and places, but I won the most money, so we both won. Alright, I'll make this do. I'll see you later. Bye.